Your health insurance deductible is the amount you must pay for covered services each year before your insurance plan start covering costs. High deductible health plan tends to high lower than policies with the low deductible. The deductible is separate from the copay. The flat amount that insurance may have to pay toward the cost have some covered services. There are also may be co-insurance reflecting a fixed percentage of the bill for some services that may be responsible of the insured. Those with the high deductible one of these caused by insurance health saving account. People with lower income may be eligible for federally subsidized health care available under the Affordable Care Act. How health insurance table work? When you buy health insurance, you pay a set monthly premium for 1 year of coverage. At the end of the year, you may continue your coverage. Also, the insurer may revise the premium amount at that time. The annual deductible is separately from monthly premium and represent the payment you must make for covered service before your insurer starts picking up the tab. For example, if a plan has a $1,000 annual deductible and a covered patient need a producer that cost, and that patient would need to be paid deductible while the insurance company would pay the remaining $200 of the cost, assuming the procedure was covered under the health plan. Important. Some plan may exclude deductible for the annual out of pocket maximum. Make sure to check with their the cost before sign up. After the deductible is paid, provided of the continue the by the premium. Your medical costs are covered. Mines and copayment and co-insurance charges. Their deductible would need to be paid. Would need to be paid up before the insurance plan travel policy is renewed. How deductible differ? Your plan might have more than one deductible. If you have individual coverage, you may have one. You may have one deductible for most of one deductible. And as a deductible participant drugs, if you have a family coverage, you may pay individual deductible of for each any coverage under the plan and annual the family deductible the policy. Insurance companies charge deductible in part as a cost-saving measure. The upfront case of care before deductible in must encourage the insured to avoid the unnecessary provider visit and medical provider and allow the who expect to remain health to choose a high deductible plan with the lower monthly premium. Some companies offer dollar coverage with carrier on deductible. These policy often have premium and limit to pay amount. Fast fact: American buying health insurance in plan in Asia marketplace typically pay between 10% and 40% of their total health insurance depending on the plan's coverage and premiums. Co-payment and co-insurance. Once you pay the annual deductible, your health insurance plan will start picking up the covered medical costs with a couple of expectation. Co-payments are ones. Your copay is the set dollar amount that you may pay for a doctor, urgent care visit, a prescription, or a medical services. Once you pay off your deductible, you have a co-payments. Co-payments are not these conditions, which is fixed percentage of a bill for a medical services that you have to cover the meet your deductible under the policy terms. Example of co-payments and co-insurance. Here are two examples. A co-payment of $30 may be due to when you have insurance officer with the doctor. A co-insurance of 10% may be due to if you are treated in an emergency room. For ACM market plans, the amounts you pay for a deductible co-payments and co-insurance are count towards your annual out-of-pocket maximum. The most you might be required pay in a few years of covered services. The out-of-pocket maximum for an AC plan with $950 for individual and $1,800 for example coverage for 224 for 980 for in 223. Average deductible and high deductible health plans. A high deductible health plan is defined in the US tax code for 23 hours and plan with an annual deductible of at least $150 for an individual or $3,000 for a family. For 2024, then these deductible number as $60 and $3,200 respectively. Such plans, along with the separate category of high deductible health plans with health reimbursement agreement, covered 28% of USA worker in 2021 according to the Kaiser Family Foundation annual survey. high deductible plan with the savings option had an average deductible of for 224 an average annual premium of 7,016 for a single coverage according to caser plans or other than high deductible ones had an average annual deductible of an average annual premium for single coverage.